Welcome to our comprehensive guide on natural furniture. In this video, we will take on an exciting journey through the wardrobe, contemporary metal, furnishing showcasing their versatility, durability, and stunning design. As you are looking to remap your living room, add a touch of industrial chic of your workspace. Arcade stylish outdoor Bosses match your furniture to answer for your aesthetic and comfort need. Metro furniture has gained emerged popularity in recent years and for good reason with its sleek lines of innovative design. Metro furniture effortlessly blend modernity and sonification, its strength and elegance made to perfect choice for both enjoy and curiosity. From the charm of industrial style material space of the dance with the minimalist design, did a metro furniture piece aside of every outdoor performance. In the session of develop into the various type of metro furniture available each with its unique enthusiast style furniture celebrates robustness and clean enthusiast is favored for contemporary living space. Aluminium furniture of the other band was lightweight, incredibly and resistance to rust, making it steel furniture used for a touch of elegance and timeless feel. We will explore show iron furniture now it integrated detailing and craftsmanship. Additionally, we discovered the eco-friendly aspect of recycled metal furniture, perfect for those with a sustainable lifestyle. By choice metal furniture over the materialization present comprehensive overview of vintage metal fascinating offer for their experienced durability and low maintenance requirement of durability to withstand various weather conditions. Metal pieces prove to be long-term investment both style and functionality. Furthermore, we will discuss how metal furniture can effortlessly integrate into various design streams, from rustic and industrial, contemporary and eclectic. In this session, we provide expert tips and ideas on style and decorative metal furniture to create visually appealing and harmonious space. We will explore a way to blend metal with other materials such as wood, glass, to achieve a comprehensive balance of the captivating aesthetic. Either you are seeking to create a minimalist haven or a cozy retreat, metal furniture can be your secret weapon to achieving the desired ambience. Carrying the metal furniture is essential to ensure its longevity through based on appearance. In this session, we will share simple yet effective maintenance techniques, safeguarding your investment from preventing Persian to cleaning and polishing. We will go to coverage. Addition, we will discuss how to protect outdoor metal furniture from the elements, allowing it withstand to the loss of time. Feeling adventure, will love and to project to want to personalize your metal furniture. This section is for you. Transform to metal pieces to tendency. Remap metal pieces of carved trading new design to match your late and previous. Unleash your creativity and discover the crafting bespoke metal furniture. As we conclude as the journey through the world of metal furniture, we hope you have. Thank you so much for watching this video.